everyone, you're watching another video by Newton Abbey's 2 We have not been here in about 3 months. Green Island. I just got here, 3023 is in the distance. And I can tell it's 3023 because of the big coffee bean at the front. It looks horrendous, by the way. It was made to my knowledge that it wasn't actually stuck on until a couple months ago. And I've never noticed it. But it's the old logo as well, which is even more bizarre because Transit doesn't have that logo anymore. So we're going to be train spotting this evening. Haven't been going out on Saturdays for quite a bit. I'll explain why. Right now, I suppose. I've been kind of busy with school. I've got my GCSEs coming up, and my birthday as well on Monday. I'll be 16. Yeah. So here come the trains, I guess. Also, this is a birthday video for FRC Danube. I made a community post about him earlier today. He's 12 today. So I wanted to wish him a happy birthday. Shout out to you, my friend. Anyway, let's continue. You cannot see the train yet, but it is coming now. And I can tell it's a 4000. Yeah, I forgot to mention at the start of the video, no one else will be joining us. I'm just alone. Well, I'm not really alone if you guys are watching, I suppose. Oh, speaking of which, next Saturday, I've said this before, next Saturday, we'll be doing a meetup with a couple of spotters. We're going to be filming crossings. Maybe, well, obviously we're definitely revisiting because I've been to every crossing already in Northern Ireland. Even Notts Craigs, I'm quite surprised I got into that one. Oh, Jack went, but he actually got permission, I didn't. I just went in like a bad boy, you know. That probably wasn't wise to say that on YouTube. I don't care. What are they going to do? It's just a bloody crossing. Oh, Forsyth. Oh, Forsyth. Oh, Forsyth. It's your old buddy 402. Right there. See you whenever it departs. There it is, leaving now. Back in 2022, I used to come here a lot with my Samsung Galaxy S20. I think it was an S20. No, it wasn't an S20. It was an A12. It was an A12. What the hell? S20? Who am I mixing that up with? And it turns out whenever I've got sunsets like this, the camera quality turns out to be quite shit. This is why an iPhone, it's so much better. There it is, already. Another 4000, we're doing well. I can confirm we're not going to see 3023 during our whole time here. Well, we could actually see it. This could actually be the next train. After 401, which has just arrived in. But I'll see whenever that departs. Okay, it's just leaving now. It's actually rather nice this evening. it was raining quite a bit whenever I went down to Lisburn earlier today. I was meant to film at Lishu and Mays crossings, but ended up running short of time, so that never happened. However, what did happen is this video, which I did not plan, but I'm thankful to even get this opportunity. Likewise. Wrongly predicted. I don't know why it took me so long to speak there. Wrongly predicted. We are definitely confirmed not seeing 3023. God's sake, I cannot talk. I don't even know the number of the train. Yeah, oh, obviously it's a bit far in the distance to make out its number. We'll get there eventually. .403, no way. Mate, I would actually laugh if the next train's 404, because so far we've seen 401, 402 and 403. I highly doubt it though. That took forever, but we're leaving now. Well, 403 is. We're leaving after the next one. I really don't like the new legislation here. Ever since I've stopped filming at stations that were guarded, I've never gotten a single tone. Well, not here, but I've got a few at Antrim. I've got a few at level crossings, other level crossings, because they're not stations. They're allowed to, well, they have to whistle at any point where there's a W symbol on the tracks. There's no W symbols here, but they sometimes tone because they see a spotter. There we go. All good, all 4,000s. Good video. No 3023 was seen. Well, actually, the intro, but I didn't record it. I didn't actually record it going anywhere. No, I did, but you couldn't see. It's 406, okay. That's decent enough. And this one's off the Larne Harbour. That 401 we seen was off the Whitehead. So this goes slightly further. It actually goes full length. Okay, final time. And it is at this point where we end the video. Before I end, I just want to say again, happy 12th birthday to my friend Freddie. This video is dedicated to you, as I said in the intro at the start. Hope you have a good rest of the day, and hopefully we can see your footage from London, because I actually had a preview look at it because he sent me it. And I have to say, you will be impressed by it, because I think his videos are very good, and I think he's gonna make it big as well. So have a good day, bro, and have a good day, everybody else. I'll see you in the next video. I will definitely film on Monday if I can. Goodbye.